Hi, this is Vizi Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to allow unknown messages from someone on WhatsApp. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! WhatsApp reportedly testing a feature which helps users to block messages from unknown number. The Messenger platform has been working on making the app more secure and protect user by privacy better. I've shown you on my previous video how to block unknown messages from someone. And now, what if you want to allow the unknown messages maybe for some reason? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Tap on settings. Tap on privacy. You can scroll down. Tap on advanced. And you'll find there is the feature block unknown account messages. To allow the unknown messages, you can just enable, I mean disable by tap on the toggle like this. So when someone that you don't save the number will be able to send you message. So simple, right? So that is how to enable unknown messages on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.